What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Roroni Shogun, also known as Shogi. And guess what? We finally have them. The King of Hearts, Nami slides. All right. So for those of you who may or may not know, the Nami slides have been out for, I want to say they started in 2022. They were a project created by John Dean and Chris Brown, and we finally got our hands on our first pair. I bought 2 pairs of Nami slides. This is the first pair that I own. And today we will be unboxing them and checking them out for the first time. I'll be discussing the material and how they feel. How they look, how they feel, material, all that good stuff, child. I bought these back in February. I bought these on February 14th. And I got them on April, I want to say 23rd or 22nd. So it's been a wait. It's been a wait. It has. And you know, it is what it is. I'm glad I finally have them. Thank you to everybody over at Auracles working hard to get these slides to everybody, because I know that, listen.
What?
Ice cream machine has been broken. I understand. I get it. But I'm glad to finally have the Nami slides. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our Nami slides. Oh, the box is upside down. Hold on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our Nami slide. Nami. So this is the box, y'all. This is the box that it comes in. Looks amazing. Looks dope. It's got Nami. Nami means, okay, 10 points for whoever knows what Nami means. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes. I'm lying. I'm giving you a few seconds. Your time is up. Nami means wave in Japanese, okay? That's what it means. If you didn't know, well, now you know. And if you know, 10 points. Okay? But yeah, Nami means wave in Japanese. So this is really, really dope. I love this container. Look at that. Okay. And Nami was created by the Auracles. That's the company name, or the brand name, I should say. That looks dope. All right. And I got size 12 because I got big feet. Okay. Mind your business. Mind your business.
You know what they say about a guy with big feet?
You know what?
They be saying, damn, you got some big feet.
The rest of that is my business that you don't need to mind. Mind your business. Okay. All right. So this is the box, y'all. I love it. Love to see it. This is my first time opening this, so you guys are getting my my first ever reaction. Here we go. We're gonna open these together. Oh my gosh. Y'all ever smell the box of shoes that you got your shoes in? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe me, just me. Okay, that's fine. This is the container. That has an interesting smell. It smells almost like a Sharpie, like marker. And what's cool is these shoes are 3D printed. I might mention that before in this video, but these shoes are 3D printed, and yeah, I think that's really dope. Right, so it comes in this cool paper. Move this out the way. Oh my god, this is dope, you guys. All right, so this is the shoe. This is the shoe itself, the King of Hearts shoe. So this is what it looks like. Get into it, get into it. Look at that. Like, look at that design. That, to me, that is dope. I love that. It looks like wave, y'all. AKA the Nami. Okay. For reason being, the Nami. Here's the second shoe. All right. Put them together. Put them together. You got almost what looks like, it looked like an arrow. Almost. All right. This is fire. Look at that. Get into it. Look at that. Here's the box. This is what the box looks like underside. Fire! Like what? Do y'all see that? Do you see it though? I don't know if you see it. I don't know if you can see it. Bam! Boom, baby!
Ha! Boom, baby!
But yeah, like these, I love the way these look. They got a little weight to them, okay?
What do you mean by that?
Oh, if you haven't seen the bottom of the shoe, this is the bottom of the shoe. Okay, Nami. So literally, when you walk in on waves, baby. Now there's a message in there somewhere, but this is so cool. This is fire. I love this design. John, Chris, great job. This is incredible. Very fire. And now the fit test. Like these got a little bit of weight to them. You got throw a shoe at somebody, you know. Dancers, we would throw our shoes when we thought somebody was killing it and dancing. This got some weight to it, okay? This shoe got some throwable. Okay. All right, let's try them on. Don't come for me, okay? I have black socks on because I'm not showing feet in this video. If you want feet in a video, go to my other channel. But anyway, so yeah, let's try them on. So this is y'all be putting socks and sandals on. Ooh, that feels good. Wait a minute. That feels good on my toes. That feels good on my soles. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Hold on. Get into it. Get into it. What it doing? Feel good on my toes and in my soles. All right, so here we go. Can't see. Oh, like a bounce when you step. This is nice. The support. John, Chris, the support, the feel. What? That's the inside of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see the texture, the waviness, okay, of the shoe inside, but like, what? That is fire. That is fire. Like, these are nice. Like, there's a rigidness, not rigid. I don't know how to describe it, but like, I don't know if y'all can get into that. I can get into it and see, but there's a waviness at the bottom of the shoe, and it's definitely felt. It's definitely felt when you're walking, when you're doing the things. Yeah, these are fire. How much are these? These will put you back $95, okay? If you're looking to get you some Nami slides, this is a good look. Like I said, I bought two. I bought one for somebody else and one for me. I was a little bit mad. I was a little bit salty that they got their pair before me, because I was like, now how the hell I ordered they shit late and they got it sooner than I did? And we're not gonna talk about it. These are like, and I mean, people pay $95. Shoes have gotten, first off, the world has gotten expensive. Shoes easily range between $60 to $120. Easy. So $95 for some slides that are gonna last you a good time. They are ethically sourced, being 3D printed. I think that's really, really cool and really dope. And it's owned by Black business. So yeah, check out some Nami slides, y'all. Check out these Nami slides if you want to get them. They also have some new slides coming out, the frequencies, more slides in various different colors like this. These are the King of Hearts. Again, they come in red. What color slides would you like to check out and see for this brand? But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these. I almost don't even want to wear them because they're so cool looking, and I don't want to wear them out. But they're also biodegradable, you guys. So another cool thing, of course, your shoes are going to get wear and tear. These are biodegradable, and I love that. I think that's really, really cool, and that's thinking about the future. And these shoes look like the future, okay? They look like, slap these motherfuckers together, they look like a spaceship that'll just, I think this is dope. John, Chris, keep doing the amazing, cool work that y'all are doing with this design, with this brand. And I look forward to the next review, you guys. Make sure you guys leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content and material from me. If you enjoy what I do, you guys can check me out on Twitch, YouTube, and I don't know how long TikTok gonna be around. We just have to talk around and find out. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I'll catch you next time. Later.